This is a piano tutorial on Love Me Tender, this time as a piano accompanist. So we'll be playing our chord in the right hand and the root note. The note the chord is named for down low is a bass note, and you sing on top of that. So let me go through the chords with you in the right hand. You start on a G chord. It's inverted. You just have a B on the bottom, D and G on the top. Love me tender, love. Then you go to A7, which is A, C sharp, E and G, true, D7, never, A, C, D, F sharp, never let me go. Back to the G, then that repeats itself. G, you have made my life complete. A7, and I love you so. Now, the next phrase, it's love me tender. That's a B7, which is A, B, D sharp, F sharp. Tender love, that's E minor, B, E, G. Love me true, that's G7, B, D, F, and G on the top. True, all, there's a C, C, E, and G, all my dreams, C minor, fulfill, G. For my darling, there's an E7 chord, which is B, D, E, and G sharp on the top. Darling, I love you. There's E7, excuse me, with that on the top. A, C sharp, E, and G. And D7, A, C, D, and F sharp. Always will. Back to your G. So those are the chords in your right hand. Then all you have to do is add that root note down low, the note the chord's named for, as your bass note. Love me tender is your G note. Love me true, A, right there. Never, there's your D note as the bass. Let me go. You have made my life complete, and I love you so. Love me tender, there's your B note down there when you got a B7 chord. Tender, love me, E minor, G7, just following that root note. No, all my dreams fulfill. For my darling, there's your E7, so you got an E in the bottom. I love you, A right there, D. I'm going to sing on top of this now, and I'm going to do it kind of in a free-flowing fashion. The tempo is not going to be completely steady all the way through, but I'm kind of thinking that's probably how this is done. Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. You have made my life complete, and I love you so. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfill. For my darling, I love you, and I